Hey guys, Sethical, doing a reaction video to this video. If this video gets more than 5 likes, I'll die instantly. Alright, ready?
Here's my first anime review for my channel. That's me called Lathen O'Neill. Maybe I'll change the name later, something like Lathen O'Neill's Anime Reviews or Lathen O'Neill Meme Down Extreme. Guess we'll find out. But anyways, let's get right into the news. And those little Keemstar references for all you memers out there. Anyways, I'll be reviewing what has been called some people's favorite anime. It's got the memes, it's got the girls, it's got the badass main character. You know it. You love it. Sword Art Online. Okay, like, I know. People give it some shitty reviews, but not me. You'll see soon enough. Anywho, I'd like to preface this by saying I've watched 3 episodes. You know, you gotta love it. So anyways, first off, I'd like to talk about the plot. So Sword Art Online is one of those anime.
Pretty good. Alright, like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, bye.